Hey everyone! The tech world is ready to blow our minds again. The future's gadgets are here. Smarter and crazier than ever. Ready? Let's dive in. Rabbit R1, AI in your pocket. Smartphones are getting old. Rabbit R1 is your AI-powered buddy right in your pocket. You talk, it listens, sending messages, checking the weather, ordering food.
Old is Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt was born on December 18, 1963, which makes him 60 years old as of January 10, 2024.
It's like having a future bestie. Humane AI pin. The screenless experience. No more carrying a phone around. Humane AI Pin is a tiny wearable device that projects a screen onto your palm. Control everything with voice and gestures. Feels like sci-fi. But it's real life. Samsung rollable display. Expand as you like. With Samsung's rollable display, your device adapts to you. It's a phone at first, then expands into a huge screen with a simple swipe. Perfect for Netflix binges. Your personal robot? Tesla Optimus Gen 2. Robots are coming. And this time, they work for you. Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 does household chores, carries stuff, and even make smart decisions. Who wouldn't want a personal robot at home? Which gadget got you the most excited? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's travel to the future together. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, because here, the future is already happening.